Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the time period of satellite. Time period of satellite. Time period of satellite means time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution. It is time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution. This time period will be equal to distance covered in one revolution upon speed of satellite t is equal to 2 pi r small r, where small r is the radius of revolution, radius of revolutionary path, and v0 is orbital velocity of the satellite. T is equal to 2 pi r upon root gm upon small r. We know that orbital velocity is given by gm upon small r. T is equal to 2 pi. Small r is capital R plus h. Earlier we have discussed about the small r. What is small r? Small r is the distance of satellite from the center of the planet, and capital M is the mass of the planet. Again we can sketch the diagram same as this is planet of mass m, capital M, and radius capital R, and a satellite revolves around in the radius small r. That this is satellite and radius of revolution is small r. Let it is h height from the surface of the planet. So we can write the small r will be equal to capital R plus h, and small m is the mass of satellite. So here t is equal to 2 pi r plus h equal to small r, and root gm upon r plus h. Here again t is equal to 2 pi r plus h को ऊपर ले जाएंगे, then it becomes r plus h into r plus h raised to the power half upon root gm, and t is equal to 2 pi root r plus h raised to the power 3 by 2, 1 and half, and gm equal to gr square root. We know that g is equal to gm upon r square, so gm will be equal to gr square. We put the value of gm, that is gr square. Now t is equal to 2 pi, take r as a common, then 1 plus h upon r. Here its power will be 3 by 2 upon root g into r. T is equal to 2 pi r raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 upon root g into 1 plus h upon r raised to the power 3 by 2. If h is very less than capital R, so that h upon r will be negligible. So time period will be only t is equal to 2 pi r raised to the power half and g. So we can write t is equal to 2 pi root r by g. This will be the time period of satellite, and we know that the numerical value here r is 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter. This is radius of the earth, and g is equal to 9.8 or approximately 10. Put the value 2 pi root 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 by 10. It is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 8 into 10 raised to the power 3 by 10. बिकॉज 6.4 का डेसिमल का हम ज़ीरो नीचे ले लेंगे तो 100 का जो रूट है वो 10 हो जाएगा. 64 का 8 ले लेंगे, 10 पावर 6 का 3 एंड इट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 5024 seconds 64 minutes. This is the time period of satellite approximately. Now come to the escape velocity. देखिए, यदि हम किसी भी बॉडी को थ्रो करें किसी प्लैनेट से, हम बोलें कि अर्थ को कंसीडर कर लेते कि अर्थ से हम किसी बॉडी को थ्रो करें और बॉडी वापस लौट करके अर्थ पर नहीं आवे, तो दैट वेलोसिटी इज कॉल्ड एस्केप वेलोसिटी. मतलब एस्केप वेलोसिटी इज दैट वेलोसिटी बाय विच द बॉडी रीचेज इन इनफाइनाइट, और वी कैन से द बॉडी reaches body going out from the gravitational field, then that velocity is called escape velocity. मतलब ऐसी वेलोसिटी जिससे कि हम किसी भी बॉडी को हम थ्रो करें तो वो वापस लौट करके अर्थ पे नहीं आए. इट मीन्स कि यदि वो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड से बाहर चली जाती है, और बाहर जाने का मीनिंग हम ये मानते हैं कि वो इनफाइनाइट में चली जाती है, स्पेस में चली जाती है जैसे, तो दैट वेलोसिटी इज कॉल्ड एस्केप वेलोसिटी. लेट when a body is thrown from the surface of the earth, it does not come back to the earth, then the velocity by which the body is thrown is called escape velocity, noted by VE, E for escape velocity. And to establish the formula of escape velocity, we know that according to the energy conservation, at the time of throwing the body, the kinetic energy of the body will be, let m is the mass and VE is the escape velocity of the body, then total energy at the surface of the earth will be equal to the total energy at infinite. Total energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy. So here kinetic energy will be half mve square plus potential energy is minus gmm upon capital R. Earlier we have discussed about the potential energy at the surface of the earth. It is equal to minus gmm upon capital R on the surface of the earth. Here capital M is mass of the earth, small m is mass of the body, R is the radius of the earth. It will be equal to 0, means kinetic energy is 0 at infinite and potential energy is also 0 at infinite. So according to the conservation of energy, half mv square plus minus gmm upon r will be equal to 0, and half mve square equal to gmm upon capital R. Here cross small m by m, so VE square will be equal to 2gm upon capital R, and P is equal to root 2gm upon capital R. We know that gm is equal to gr square, so it is equal to 2gr square by r. So escape velocity is 2gr for the surface of the earth, and numerical value of the escape velocity is calculated by VE is equal to here 2, G is approximately 10 and R is 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6, that will be equal to 11.2 kilometer per second.